Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. We have the Champion Dual Fuel 4500. We're going to be testing this generator. We're going to be testing this generator on the RV. Let's get this test started, see what this thing pulls, okay? Let's go ahead and get our, let's see what we need to be at. It says 29.2 amps. So that's our mark. If we can get right about 29.2, we know it's putting out what it's rated for. We're not going to try to overload the generator. We're just going to try and see what it puts out. 29.2 amps. Let's see if we can get that. Okay, guys. Everything's hooked up. Everything's ready. I got my surge protector, meter. Everything's hooked up. Go to choke. Okay. Got power. Wait for the countdown of the surge protector. That makes sure everything is equalized, everything is ready before it introduces power to the RV. I always try to use the surge protector when I do this test, trying to protect my RV. Okay, as you can see guys, the generator is real quiet. Let's do a dB test while we have zero load and see where we're at. Okay, let's get to 23 feet, which is right about here. Right about 56.7 or base load. With zero load, right at 56.7. Okay guys, almost introducing power. Okay, RV is on. What you're seeing right now is the battery charger. So we're going to try to get 29.2 amps. Let's try one AC and the microwave. I do have a air fryer there. I'll try. I know a lot of people, you guys are using that now, so I got one to try on there. Let's see what we get. Let's get started. All lights on. Before we get started, pure sine wave inverter. That's very important. You got to have that pure sine wave. Okay. First thing we're going to do is turn on the refrigerator. Okay, refrigerator's on. Still see that clean pure sine wave. Okay, let's get one AC going. Let's do a dB test with one AC. Okay, not loud, very quiet. "23 feet. Right about 59. That should be 25%. Let's see what it says. Yep, right about 25%, 59 dB. Okay guys, let's try this air fryer and then we'll try the microwave. Huh, 23.4 amps. We're at 80%. dB test. Right about 64.8 at 80%. Okay, that's off. I did say we'd do the microwave. Have some water in here. 1 minute. Let's see if that gets us to 100%. Okay, same thing. So the air fryer and the microwave, right about the same thing. Let's see if we run that for 1 minute. Generator sounds real good. It's not stressing. At 80%. Still have a nice pure sine wave going. Microwave is almost done. Okay. So you decided to get the Champion 4500. You're out camping. You want to run 2 ACs. You should be able to do that. Let's fire up that second AC and your refrigerator. Okay, second AC is on. No problem. There's your compressor. So you want to run 2 ACs with this? You can. Guys, I do have soft start. If you don't have soft start and you're trying to use a generator, you're probably just going to run 1 AC. Use technology to your advantage. If you want to use a generator, do something to make it easier on the generator and extend your AC life as well. Okay, 2 AC running right now, and the refrigerator. Let's go ahead and get it to 100%. It's right at 80% right now, so you can run your refrigerator and 2 AC with this generator. Let's get inside. Let's turn on some other load to get it to 100%. Then we can do a DB test. I'm going to turn on this small heater at low. That should get it right at where we need to be. So on low. Okay, we got it on low. Let's see where we at. Okay, we got the overload light on. As you can see, 30 amps, 30.7. This thing puts out the power. Right about 66, 67 dBs. All right, let's get this load off. Turn the ACs off. Turn off the refrigerator. Okay. The whole time it was working, pure sine wave. Never showed any distortion, always pure. That's good. Okay, so you can get your full 30 amp with this generator, which is what it's rated for, 29.1. It went all the way up to 30.6, I think I saw. So the generator just performs flawlessly, always sounded good, never sounded like it was loaded, overloaded, or strained. Okay, guys? I'll give it a thumbs up. Okay, guys, if you like this video, please, guys, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Please subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. I would appreciate it. If you watch my videos, hit that subscribe button right now. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Champion dual fuel 4500 pure sine wave inverter. Guys, thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye.